Simple but elegant is what most people say when they see this floor. It has a realistic wood look and embossing that resembles the feel and look of real oak. The texture is not just bumps or waviness to create a more authentic pattern. Engineered with the ISO-core technology, or the close cell-formed PVC core, it's lightweight yet rigid and robust. This vinyl plank flooring is absolutely easy to install, but durable enough to last for years. Its wear layer is also improved with ceramic beads to resist and increase durability for scratch resistance. It comes with a pre-attached underlayment that makes the surface flat and smooth and provides comfort under your feet. This underlayment is also shock absorbing and acts as a sound barrier. Installation's a breeze with this product using the drop and lock end joints. Make sure to use a tapping block and soft face hammer sold separately. This luxury vinyl can also be installed over an existing tile, wood, concrete, or plastic. It's perfect for residential and commercial indoor use. It's suitable for all grade levels of installation, on grade and below grade. Unlike other floorings, this product doesn't need to acclimate or condition, which makes installation go faster. As for maintenance, it's more convenient and hassle-free. You can clean it with a dust mop or vacuum. Thanks to the ultra-fresh treatment, it prevents mold and mildew growth that cause odors and stains. It's 100% waterproof, so it's safe to install in most rooms in your home and office. Best of all, it's free of phthalate and formaldehyde to guarantee the product's safety.